In today's resin art video, I'm going to show you how I made this. This is a 24 by 36 on wood, and it's a really pigmented painting. There's no paste or anything like that in there. It has neon pigments and some pearl pigments in it. I made this way back in 2018, early 2018. And as far as the ingredients go, as far as the pigments and the brands and the manufacturers and everything, I do believe that the company that I purchased them from turned into Black Diamond Pigments, because when I just looked them up on Amazon, that's what I came up with. And these were just some mica pigments that I bought way back in the day. The other neons in there, those are like a glow-in-the-dark pigment, and I'll list all that down in the description. But yeah, this thing's got some depth, and she's really cool looking. She's real beautiful. Alright, well, here starts the art video, and you can kind of see me mixing all the stuff up. And then this is a 2-layer one. I put one layer down, and then I put another layer down right on top of it. After that, I kind of burn it at the top. You'll see that in the video. So I sanded it all down, and I gave it a flood coat and everything. That's not on this video, but that's just something I did. Just figured I'd show you guys all this and let you know. But this one was a really, really beautiful painting. I really loved it. Alright, well, I will be quiet, and we can jam out and listen to some music. Oh, the resin type that I used, that was Promarine. I used Promarine Supply resins to make this one. Oh, and the paint that's on there right now, that's just regular spray paint that I blended to kind of make it look like a sunset. And then I went over top of it with the resin. So if you had questions about that, I just thought I'd put that in there. Okay, now we'll jam out and paint. backlight right here to show you guys some of the neon pigments in there. And it's a real beautiful, beautiful painting, everyone. I just thought I'd show this one to you guys. I had it on a little webcam video. Might not be the greatest video in the world, but she's a pretty spectacular looking painting. So I figured I'd just put it out there and let you guys all see it. And then after this, it'll show another little close-up of the painting, and you can kind of see how I fixed that spot up there on the top. All right, well, I guess I will talk to you all later. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it, and I like making these videos. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, guys, talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.